All right, what is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in for another episode of the Challenger SRT8. We're going to be cleaning the interior today, wiping down on the leather, conditioning it, and making it protecting it, my bad. But thank y'all so much for 89 views, I believe it was, when it's been a day. It's been a full day, full 24 hours. So thank you guys for getting 89 views in the first day. That's amazing. Everybody liked the video, got some good comments on the video, so I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. So today we're going to get on the interior, so we're going to hop right on that. Alright guys, so in the interior, the seats, which is our big problem right now, just because you can see this right here, they're cracking a little bit, or not cracking, but they're getting to where they're starting to crack a little bit. That side is good, but the seats right now, this part up here on the sides is leather, but in the middle right here is a fabric called suede. Now suede is very nice. It's like a upgraded cloth, you want to say. The center console cover right here feels a lot like a leather, so we're going to clean it with a leather conditioner. Same with the passenger side over here, and then the back seats right here are also suede and leather. So the dash is just, you know, hard plastic like most dashes are. Steering wheel's got a wrap on it. Might hit it with some leather conditioner. But the door panels have that suede also right here, so we're going to have to clean those with a different material. But then we got leather right here on the door panel, leather right here on the door panel, and then the rest is just hard plastic. So we're going to clean all that up. All right, guys, we're going to jump right onto it and get this thing looking brand new. Alright guys, so I'm going to run to the store real quick, and I'm going to pick up some cleaner for these little trim pieces right here to get all those real clean. So I'll get right back with y'all. Alright guys, so we're back in the car now. Just got back from town. We got some black ice air fresheners, so you can just put them in your cup holders. Got 2 of those. And we got some smart dressing. So now, I was looking at this, and pretty much it long-lasting shine and protection for all tires, rubber, vinyl, and plastic surfaces. So we got a bunch of vinyl and plastic in here in the dash and on the door panel. So we're going to use it for that. Yeah, we're going to crack open these air fresheners and we're going to get to work. So fun little fact, guys. Friend found this. This is a push to start. So you can literally just stick this. If you look right here, it has the same end as the key fob. So it has the same little end right there as the key fob. So you pretty much just put this into place right there, like that, like so, and boom, you got a push start car. So that is a nifty little deal right there that I did not know had in this car. I figured being 2009 it would not have a push start, but I was wrong. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the video for right now. So we got the whole interior clean, or the seats and all the plastic trim is clean on the door panels, everything like that. We're gonna put the vacuuming and we're gonna clean the windows on a whole nother video, just because this one is getting a little long. Did not think it was gonna get this long, but it got a little long. So make sure to like, subscribe, follow the Instagram, tread.rippers. I know I've said that many times, but go follow the Instagram to get the scoop before YouTube. And we're going to get out of here, guys. So thanks for watching. Like if you liked the video. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions or any mods for the car that you want to see done in the future. But this has been Tread Rippers, and we're going to tear out of here.